Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. Thanks for grabbing the LSP golden overlays. In this little short tutorial, I'm going to give you an example of using the LSP Golden Beam overlays. You can watch videos, tutorial number 1 for setting up, getting the actions in, unzipping the files, making sure everything works. So let's go. Beautiful image on my screen by Anna Brandt. I'm just going to hit the darken background painter on the actions first. The darker the background, the better these will show up. So definitely use them on mid to dark backgrounds and then make it darker. White brush is selected. I'm just going to use this to darken the areas down even more. Now I'm going to hit choose a golden overlay. This is going to open up the images to locate the file. So locate your downloaded unzipped golden beams and choose which one you're going to add. How about we add Pretty Beam? Now you want to match the direction of light in your image. So the light in this image is coming from the left. Of course this beam is coming from the right. So just right click and choose flip horizontal. I just want to match the direction of the light. I'm looking at the face and the shadows and hit enter. The rest of the action is playing out and it's done. You can paint this on or off your subject even more if you wanted to. I'm just going to darken the background a bit more by clicking on the back dark action and just lifting that a bit. You can see the darker the background gets, the more those light beams are going to show up. And I might play a little bit with the glow painter with our white brush. Sorry, my brush is looking huge on the video recording. So I'm just going to dab that glow in just a little bit. Beautiful. Make it even darker. And we're done. Literally a minute to get this in, like, just a completely different look to your image and beautiful in the gallery. I hope you love using these. Please tag me in the LSP Actions group. I'd love to see. I'm Lauren. Thanks for watching.